In this guide, you'll learn exactly how to set up the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, and even Nintendo Switch. The process is simple once you know which version of the headset you have. There are two models, one designed for Xbox and one made for PlayStation. Both will work with PC, but how they connect can differ, so it's important to identify your version before starting. If you're using the Xbox version, begin by plugging the wireless USB transmitter into one of the USB ports on your console. Power on the headset and it should automatically pair with the transmitter. If it doesn't, hold the power button until the LED begins flashing to put it into pairing mode. Once the light becomes solid, the connection is complete and you're ready to start gaming. You can also pair the headset to your phone or tablet using Bluetooth. Just hold the Bluetooth button until it enters pairing mode, then connect it through your device's Bluetooth settings. If you're on PlayStation, plug the USB transmitter into the console, turn on the headset, and it should pair automatically as well. Once it connects, you're all set. The PlayStation model also works seamlessly with PC and Nintendo Switch using the same dongle, making it a flexible option if you switch between devices often. For PC users with the PlayStation model, simply plug in the dongle, power on the headset, and you're connected instantly without needing any extra software. If you have the Xbox version and want to use it with a phone, tablet, or laptop, Bluetooth will be your main method for connecting. Just enter pairing mode and select the headset from your device's Bluetooth list. The Stealth 500 also includes convenient features like onboard controls for volume, mic monitoring, and EQ presets, so you can adjust everything without touching your console or computer. Keeping the dongle in clear line of sight can help maintain a strong wireless signal, and charging the headset regularly ensures you always get the best performance during long gaming sessions.